Now let's get started. Today we will see keywords and identifiers in Python. So, so what I have written here, I have written the comments. Uh, so if I start this symbol called hashtag, we will write comments in Python. So comments are nothing. Comments are for readability purpose. These are not taken into consideration for compilation. So this is for readability purpose only. So you can do a single line comment with hashtag, and you can do a multi-line comment with triple quotes or triple double quotes. Anything will work fine. So this is called multi this is called multi-line comment. Okay, this is called multi-line comment. So so with that said, let us continue with our topic today. So keywords and identifiers. So keywords are reserved words which are having special functionality or meaning. So let us see how many keywords in Python. So in order to write a program to print keywords in Python, we have to import one module called import keyword. So keyword is a module. So in order to print the the keywords, we need to import this keyword module. So first we will do this, and so print keyword dot kw list. This is called keywords list. So list is a data type in Python, uh, which is a ordered collection of heterogeneous data elements. We will see in future lessons. For now, you understand that kw list is a variable. Now if you select kw list and right click and go to definition, so it will open keyword.py. So where list variable is declared. So kw list is an array basically. So so for those who understand array, I am saying with respect to that. So array is a indexed collection of items, right? So every keyword is declared here in this array. So these are called keywords in Python. So let us print those keywords here. So now cls, and right click here and run this code, and you will see all the list elements gets printed here. So if you go to keyword.py, so all the keywords which are mentioned here is printed in the output console. So 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 kw list is declared some other file or some other file called keyword.py. That is why, in order to access that particular variable, we are importing that particular module called keyword. So we are printing keyword dot in the keyword. You please print the this list. So that is why we are having these many values. You can count the list elements with the len function, len function. So I will just write len function will be used to count the number of elements in a sequence. Don't worry, I will tell the sequence in further lectures. So list is a sequence data type. So in order to print the number of elements present in any sequence data type or collection related data type, or strings, we will use len function. So print, again I will say total number of keywords in Python 3.11.2, 3.11.3. By the way, the latest version is at the time of recording this video, the Python latest version is 3.11.3. So I am mentioning that here. So is len of keyword dot kw list. So it will print the number of elements present in this list. So if you count the number of elements here, it will be around 35. So 35 will be printed as an output. So total number of keywords in Python 3.11.3 is 35. Like that it will show. So I am clearing my screen and running this output. Running this program. You can see total number of keywords in Python is 3.11.3 is 35. So So if you do not want to hard code this value, that is 3.11.3, you can you can you can automatically take the, I mean, uh, if you do not want to hard code this cell, we can import one variable, I mean we can import one function. We will get to know which version we are using. So for that you need to import one module called platform. Import python version. So python version is a function, so it is declared in platform module. So if you open platform version and right click and go to definition, it will open platform.py. So it will return the python version as a major, minor and batch level. So basically the python version it will return. So 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 how you can print this? So in this place I can say I will just close this string here, I mean, and I can say python version. Okay, so let me run this. So python version it will call. So so what is the so if there is a python version is available in our PC, that version will be printed here. So clear my screen and run this code. So there is an error here, so we need to separate here with comma so that it will be clearer. So let me clear this screen and run this code. So earlier we did hard coding. Now we are we are printing the python version, the official value, which is declared here. So so what is the official, I mean what is the current python version we are using? 3.11.3 is 35. So we'll see identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to variables or functions or classes, etc. So to basically for identification purpose, identifiers, so generally names given to people. So Ramesh, Suresh, these are identifiers in our field, I mean in our human terminology. In computer terminology this is termed as identifiers. So basically identifiers are the names given to variables, functions, classes. So we'll see what functions and what classes in upcoming lectures. So there will be certain rules. There will be certain ru- there are certain rules to define identifier. There are certain rules to define a identifier. So what and are those rules? The important rule is keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers because keywords are special, which is having special functionality and meaning. Hence you cannot use keywords as identifiers. Okay, identifiers. So this is the first rule, and the second rule is key identifiers is a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, digits and underscore. No special symbols are allowed. Okay, no special symbols are allowed when we name identifiers. So like at the rate, uh, modulus, these symbols are not allowed while declaring identifier name. And it is a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, and we can use digits also. And one more thing, identifiers cannot start with a digit. So if a variable is declared as one variable, it is invalid. Whereas if I declare variable 1, it is valid. So that is the these are the some main rules, and one more rule is called we already discussed it, we'll just reframe that sentence once again. So we cannot use special special symbols in our identifiers. So if I declare a variable called variable and dollar is a special symbol, it is invalid. So whereas variable underscore is valid. Okay, underscore is valid in Python. So these are the basic identifier rules you must aware, so that you can declare correct variable names when you are coding. So thanks guys for this wonderful time. Thanks for watching. We will see in upcoming lectures. Bye bye.